So our next product is AcuTrace. AcuTrace package contains the processing screen with the Purge login trace processing screen. So this screen contains two actions, process and process all, as all processing screen inside the Acumatica. As well, the screen as well allow us to set up automation schedules for the streamlined deletions and the automation of the process. So mainly the screen was designed to facilitate the cleanup of system activity history. This includes login, logout, screen access, customization, publishing, and other tracked activities stored in the system database. So the screen contains filters at the top and the grid table with the data at the bottom. So the first filter option is operation. This drop-down field allow us to filter and delete traces for specific operations. The available options include login, logout, session expired, login failed, access screen, emailing, sending, customization, publishing, and etc. So in this screen, we also can specify the limit of records to be deleted. So by default is 100,000 records. As well as we can, a user can select the checkbox no limit, and system will delete all the records which user has in the system. As well as we have from to dates filter. These fields allow us filter records by specific date range. And the table itself, it loads the complete login trace from Acumatica ERP system for the current company and tenants, and displays the following information: dates, the date of the history trace record, the username of the user who performed the operation itself, host information, IP address, screen ID, the identifier of the access screen if applicable, title, screen title itself, or the title of or the name of the screen, and some common additional notes if applicable. So by selecting checkbox, user can purge the login trace by hitting the process button. So we also can see that all four selected data was deleted from database.